Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Fall Guys on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Fall Guys on your PC or laptop, first, you will need to download Epic Games Launcher because it is the game launcher for Fall Guys. But if you already have an Epic Games Launcher, you can skip this step. So to download Epic Games Launcher, first, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser in your device. After you opened your web browser, next, go and search for the official Epic Games website. After searching, you will then be directed to their website. So once you're on the website, you can now download Epic Games Launcher by clicking this download button. And after that, the Epic Games Launcher will start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to install it. Then right here, they will show you the location where your Epic Games files will be saved. If you want to change it, just go to Browse, but if you're fine with it, then just click Install. And after that, the installation of Epic Games Launcher will now start, just wait for it to finish. This will take a little bit of time, so I will just cut the video and come back once the installation is finished. So finally guys, our installation is done. So after the installation, you will then be directed to the login section of Epic Games. So if you already have an Epic Games account, just sign it in, but if you are new and don't have an account yet, then just create an account right here. So to create an account, just fill up all this information such as your email, username, and password, and make sure that the email you will use right here is an email that you can open because Epic Games will send an email verification code later in order to verify your account. And once you're done setting up your account, just check the box for the terms of service and then click Continue. And here's the verification code that I told you earlier guys, so to get the code, just log in to the email that you used to set up your account. And then you will be able to see the code that the Epic Games sent to you. Just enter it right here. Once you've entered the code, you can now click Verify Email. And then after that, you will now be logged in to Epic Games Launcher. So now that you're on Epic Games Launcher, you can now download Fall Guys. To do that, just go to the search bar and search for Fall Guys. And then you will now be able to see the game, just go and click it. And here's the game Fall Guys, so to download it, just click the Get button. And then just check the agreement box, then click Accept. And by the way guys, if you're worried about paying anything, then don't worry, since Fall Guys is a completely free game. And right here, just click the Place Order. And after that, Fall Guys will now be added to your game library. You can now download the game. Then right here, Epic Games will show you the location where the files of Fall Guys will be saved. If you want to change it, then just go to Browse, but if you're fine with the location, then just click Install. And after that, the installation of the game will now start. Just wait for it to finish. My internet is kinda slow, so this will take a long time, so I will just cut the video and come back once the installation is done. And finally guys, the installation is done. So now that the installation is done, we can now play the game. And there it is guys, we've successfully downloaded the game, and I am now playing it. And so that's just how you download Fall Guys on your PC or laptop guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.